Hello guys! Welcome to today's video on stock market and REITs investing. Kung gusto mong matuto kung paano ang tamang way to invest in the stock market and you want to start building your financial future, this video is for you. Ginawa ko ang video ito as simple as possible to explain the basics of stock market, key concepts, and get you started in your investing journey. In the stock market, ang stock ay isang klase ng financial asset that represents ownership in a corporation or company. Stocks are also known as shares or equity. Stocks, shares, equity, pare-pareho lang yan. Ang REIT naman is a unique type of stock that focuses on income from real estate investments. Sa REITs, you're investing in a portfolio of income-generating properties. They can be a great addition for investors na gusto magkaroon ng regular passive income. Ang stock exchange ay isang malaking marketplace kung saan bumibili at nagbibenta ng mga stocks ang mga investors or traders. Dito ka bibili ng stocks and REITs sa stock exchange through your broker. Sa Philippines, ang Philippine Stock Exchange ang namamahala sa pagbili at pagbenta ng mga stocks. Bibili tayo ng stocks or shares ng isang company because we believe that we can sell it higher in the future. Ang sabi nga ni Peter Lynch, a well-known American investor and author of the book One Up on Wall Street, stocks are not lottery ticket. There's a company behind every stock. If the company does well, the stock does well. Applicable din ito sa REITs. If the REIT company does well, tataas din ang share price ng REIT. Kapag nag-invest o bumili ka ng stock ng isang company, halimbawa bumili ka ng stocks ng Meralco, isa ka ng shareholder or part owner ng Meralco. As a shareholder or part owner of the business, you are entitled to the following rights. Voting rights in shareholders meetings. You can get share in company earnings through dividends. Take note, hindi lahat ng stocks ay nagbibigay ng dividend. Mag-invest ka sa dividend stocks pag gusto mong makakuha ng dividend. Ang mga REITs, lahat yan nagbibigay ng quarterly dividends. Pwede mo ibenta ang shares mo ng stocks and REITs pag tumaas na ang share price. Ang tawag dito ay capital gain. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng stocks ng Meralco sa halagang 300 pesos per share. Then, tumaas ang share price at naging 500 pesos. Ang magiging tubo mo pag binenta mo ang Meralco stocks mo ay 200 pesos per share. Napakadali na ngayon mag-invest sa stock market. Kailangan mo lang ng account sa broker, laptop, or smartphone. And pwede ka na mag-invest anywhere, maski nasa ibang bansa ka. Karamihan ng mga stockbrokers ngayon ay meron na ring mobile trading app. Ang favorite mobile trading app ko ay ang Dragonfly. I also like the mobile trading app ng First Metrosec, pero for advanced users ang First Metrosec. Mas user-friendly for beginners ang Dragonfly mobile trading app. Pag wala ka pang broker, you can sign up on Dragonfly Securities using my code. Pwede ka ring mag-sign up by using my link in the description box below. Pwede ka ring maghanap ng stockbroker sa online brokers directory ng Philippine Stock Exchange. Next, I'll discuss the stock market investing decision-making process. First question, anong stock ang bibilhin at bakit mo ito bibilhin? You should know ang mga stocks na bibilhin mo. Ang sabi nga ni Peter Lynch, if you can't explain it to a 10-year-old in 2 minutes or less why you own a stock, you should not own it. Anong stock ang bibilhin? Mag-umpisa ka sa companies that you know. Ito ang top 30 companies in the Philippines. These are also known as blue chip companies. Most likely, kilala ninyo ang mga companies na nandito sa top 30. Yung mga products and services that we are using are produced by these companies. I'm sure karamihan sa atin nakakain na sa Jollibee. May bank account sa BPI, BDO, or Metrobank. PLDT or Globe ang internet mo sa bahay. Nagsa-shopping ka sa SM, nag-grocery ka sa Pure Gold, at nagbabayad ka ng kuryente ng Meralco. Pwede ka mag-invest sa mga companies na ito para maging shareholder ka or part owner ng mga companies na ito para hindi ka lang bayad ng bayad or bili ng bili ng products nila. These companies will likely stay for many, many more years to come. Next question, kailan mo bibilhin at saang presyo mo bibilhin? A quick and easy way to check if a stock is expensive or not is to look at its price to earnings ratio or price to book ratio. PE ratio tells you how much investors are willing to pay for each peso of the company's earnings. Pag mataas ang PE ratio, halimbawa above 20, it might mean the stock is expensive kasi investors are paying more for each peso of earnings. Pag mababa ang PE ratio, below 15, it might indicate the stock is undervalued. So good deal ito compared to its earnings. Ang price to book ratio naman shows how the stock price compares to the company's book value. Pag mataas ang price to book ratio above 2.0, it could indicate that the stock is overvalued compared to its book value. Pag mababa naman ang price to book ratio below 1.0, it might suggest that the stock is undervalued. And then compare the PE ratio or price to book ratio to industry average to get a quick sense of whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued compared to its peers. Ang isang stock ay meron siyang tinatawag na intrinsic value o fair value. Iba ito sa kanyang current stock price. Ang intrinsic value ay ang true worth ng stock based on its financial health and growth potential over time. Pag alam mo ang intrinsic value ng isang stock, pwede mo i-compare ang current stock price sa kanyang intrinsic value para malaman mo if the stock is good deal or not. Gamitin natin example ang Pure Gold. Sa ngayon, ang market price ng Pure Gold ay 27.3 pesos per share. Ang calculated intrinsic value ko based on Pure Gold's earnings and growth potential ay 50 pesos per share. Mas mababa ang market price ng Pure Gold compared to its intrinsic value. So, masasabi natin na undervalued ang Pure Gold. Kaya good deal bumili ng Pure Gold ngayon. Meron na akong separate video kung paano mag-compute ng intrinsic value ng isang stock. Nilagay ko yung video link in the description box below. Check it out if interested. Third decision-making step ay when to sell. Ikaw ang magde-decide kung kailan mo gustong ibenta ang stock. Ito ang ilan sa mga selling situations. Number one, na-hit mo na ang desired returns mo or sobrang overvalued na ang stock. Example, more than 50% ang desired gain mo. Pwede mo na ibenta ang shares mo pag na-hit mo ang desired gain mo to lock in your profit. Then, ilipat mo ang funds sa ibang opportunities. Number two, reason for buying is no longer valid. Example, declining ang earnings and operating cash flow. Lumalaki ang utang ng company, pangit na ang financial health, kaya isell mo na and look for better opportunities. Number three, pag nakahanap ka ng better opportunities, pwedeng magbenta ka ng stocks and ilipat mo ang funds sa better opportunities na nahanap mo. Sabi ni Peter Lynch, the stock does not know you own it. Do not get emotionally attached to a stock or company. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index or PSEI is composed of these blue chip companies. Take note, these 30 stocks ay hindi permanent na nasa PSE index. Pwedeng may matanggal at ipalit na bagong stocks ang PSE according to their latest review of listing. The PSEI reflects the average price movement of the top 30 companies. Ginagamit ang PSE index to measure the performance and stability of the Philippine stock market. Pag tumataas or bumababa ang PSEI, it generally indicates how these leading companies and the broader market are performing. Hindi lang ito ang mga companies na listed sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Meron tayong over 280 publicly listed companies in the Philippines na pwede niyong pagpilian. Makikita nyo lahat ng mga listed companies na ito sa PSE website. Meron iba't ibang sectors gaya ng financials, industrial, property, services, mining and oil, And meron ding iba't ibang subsectors gaya ng banks, electricity, energy, power and water, food and beverage, construction, etc. Companies are classified into small cap, mid cap, and big cap or large cap based sa kanilang market capitalization. Sa small cap companies, ang market cap ay typically below 8 billion pesos. Ang mid cap companies naman typically between 8 billion to 100 billion pesos. Big cap companies ay generally over 100 billion pesos. Based ito sa data na nakuha ko sa TradingView. Small cap companies tend to be newer, less established, and with higher growth potential, but also higher risk. Mid-cap companies are more established than small caps. Merong stable revenue streams and they still have growth potential. Big cap companies naman are well-established na. Sila ang industry leaders and considered safer investments due to their size and stability. Sa ngayon, meron na tayong 8 REITs in the Philippines na pwede nyong pagpilian kung interested kayo mag-invest sa REITs. If you want to learn more about these 8 REITs, meron akong video sa latest review na ginawa ko about these 8 REITs. Paano ba tumataas at bumababa ang stock price? Ang stock price ay tumataas o bumababa depende sa dami ng mga taong gustong bumili o magbenta nito. Kung mas marami ang gustong bumili ng stock, tumataas ang stock price. Kung mas marami naman ang gustong magbenta, bababa naman ang stock price. Araw-araw, minu-minuto, pwedeng mag-iba-iba ang stock price. Maraming mga factors ang nakaka-affect sa stock price. Ang primary factor affecting the stock price ay company-related. Pag consistent na malaki ang revenue at earnings ng company, merong successful na mga bagong products and initiatives, and merong good management, maasahan mo na tataas din ang stock price. Pwede ring bumaba ang stock price pag bumababa ang revenue and earnings, bumababa ang quality ng product, o kaya nagkaroon ng management change and regulatory challenges na pwedeng maka-affect ng stock price. These are just some of the examples. Pwedeng may iba pang internal factors na pwedeng maka-affect sa stock price ng isang company. Pwede ring maapektuhan ng external factors ang stock price na hindi ito kontrolado ng company. Economic conditions, inflation rates, pandemic, disaster or calamities, and global factors that could also affect the stock price. Kadalasan tumataas ang stock price over the long term. So don't worry kung bumagsak ang stocks mo ngayon, pwedeng tumaas ang stock price over the long term as long as the company's performance is strong. Meron akong video kung paano ako mag-screen at maghanap ng companies with strong performance. Check out the video link in the description box below to learn more about it. May rewards at meron ding risk pag mag-invest ka sa stock market. Malaki ang potential na kumita sa stock market through capital appreciation as long as you invest in great companies at the right price. Pero meron din kasamang risk. Pwedeng magkaroon ng losses sa iyong stock portfolio due to internal or external factors na na-explain ko kanina. Part ito ng pag invest sa stock market. So merong possibility na magkaroon ka ng mga losses. Kaya importante, only invest money that you won't need in the near future. You can lower your risk by diversifying your stock portfolio. Mag-invest ka sa iba't ibang industries. Kapag diverse ang iyong portfolio, you can lower your risk in case magkaroon ng crisis sa isang sector ng market or sa isang company. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.